Here is a quick and simple teaching idea that you could use when teaching persuasive writing. You could start by giving your students a choice of objects, items, or things. For example, you could use a car or a bar of chocolate and ask your students to persuade you to buy this item from them. Ask them to think about what vocabulary they would need to use to convince someone to buy their item. Explain the meaning of persuasion and how it is used.
Persuasive writing is writing to convince someone to do something or to change someone's mind. You will need to include an introduction. Present your point or product. What do you want your audience to do? Your reasons. Why are your ideas or items best for your audience? Your conclusion. Summarize your main points.
Give your students a task or project. Tell them that they now work for a digital marketing agency, and they have been tasked with creating a video advert and an Instagram post for an online bakery service called My Bakery. The video advert and Instagram post will need to convince the general public to visit the website and order their company cakes. Get them to come up with a to-do list. They will need to find out as much information as possible and gather lots of detail. Remind them that it is always best to have more detail and information. They will need to create a catchy slogan, and they could use alliteration and rhyme to help with this. They will need to exaggerate the good points in their information about the online service and use rhetorical questions. Give it a go and see what they come up with. I hope you found this idea useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this, and visit us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.